Hey guys, we really need your support and motivation to keep this going. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Question 121. Which of the following describes the TOGAF technical reference model? A. A common systems architecture. B. A foundation architecture. C. An industry-specific architecture. D. An organization-specific architecture. E. A solution architecture. Correct answer is option B. Question 122. Which of the following is an objective of the preliminary phase? A. Develop the architecture vision document. B. Draft the implementation and migration plan. C. Ensure conformance requirements for the target architecture are defined. D. Establish the organizational model for enterprise architecture. E. Operate the governance framework. Correct answer is option D. Question 123. Complete the sentence. According to TOGAF, an objective of Phase G, implementation governance, is to A. Assess the performance of the architecture and make recommendations for change. B. Ensure the baseline architecture continues to be fit for purpose. C. Ensure conformance with the defined architecture by the implementation projects. D. Establish an architecture change management process for the architecture finalized in the previous ADM phase. E. Operate the governance framework. Correct answer is option C. Question 124. What is part of the approach in the ADM preliminary phase? A. Creating the architecture vision deliverable. B. Defining the enterprise. C. Developing an architecture contract. D. Extending the business scenario with business modeling. E. Preparing a consolidated gap analysis. Correct answer is option B. Question 125. Which of the following describes the TOGAF classification in Phase H for a simplification change? A. A change driven by a requirement to derive additional value from the existing investment. B. A change driven by a requirement to increase investment in order to create new value for exploitation. C. A change driven by a requirement to reduce investment. D. A change driven by a requirement to realign with the business strategy. E. A change driven by a requirement to simplify communication between stakeholders. Correct answer is option C. Question 126. In phases B, C, and D, which is the first step in each phase? A. Conduct formal stakeholder review. B. Create architecture definition document. C. Define roadmap components. D. Perform gap analysis. E. Select reference models, viewpoints, and tools. Correct answer is option E. Question 127. Complete the sentence. The ADM can be viewed as the process of populating the enterprise's own with relevant reusable building blocks taken from the more generic side of the enterprise continuum. A. Architecture repository. B. Architecture requirements. C. Implementation and migration plan. D. Standards information base. E. Strategic architecture. Correct answer is option A. Question 128. Which of the following best describes the concept of boundaryless information flow? A. Enabling the vision of an integrated information infrastructure. B. Getting information to the right people at the right time in a secure, reliable, and timely manner. C. Enabling effective global communications between countries. D. Enabling the flow of information to all stakeholders. E. Providing a visual representation of information provider, consumer, and brokering applications. Correct answer is Option B. Question 129. According to TOGAF, which of the following terms describes people who have key roles in, or concerns about, a system? A. Consumer. B. CXOS. C. Lead architect. D. Sponsor. E. Stakeholder. Correct answer is, option E. Question 130. In which phase of the ADM cycle do building blocks become implementation specific? A. Phase A. B. Phase B. C. Phase C. D. Phase D. E. Phase E. Correct answer is, option E. Stay tuned for many more videos like this. If you like this effort, please subscribe this channel and give a thumbs up.